Hi, this is Christina Rodriguez of Diva by Design. This is day 16 of 100 Days of Design and Feng Shui. And let's talk about rhythm. Just like in music, the design principle of rhythm is movement. It's what draws your eye around a room. And there are 6 ways to establish rhythm in your space. The first one is repetition, and that's something that you do over and over again. So remember when I told you earlier that you could use one color in your accessories to brighten up a neutral room, and then I said you can add more later. Well, now here's a time to add more. Take that same color and add it in 3 more places in your room. Create a triangle effect, and that is a very easy way to add more color and repetition. So number 2 type of rhythm is contrast, and that's, say you have a light neutral room, you need to add something dark for contrast to liven it up a little. And an easy way to do that is to use something that's black. Electronics, furniture, something, wrought iron, anything that's black. You can do the same thing as you did with repetition and put it in 3 different places around the room, separated from each other, and that adds contrast. It's a different type of rhythm. The third type of rhythm is called transition, and that is how you establish a smoother flow around the room. Instead of your eye jumping from one place to another in the room, you want to make it move slowly. And the way to do that is to use curved shapes. So you can get round mirrors or arched mirrors, and your eye will flow over those areas instead of moving quickly. Now, the 4th type of rhythm is called progression, and that is the form where you line up objects from small to large, large to small, or dark to light. And a simple example of this type of rhythm is nesting tables. You've got 1, 2, and 3, and they're small, medium, and large. Or you can use sets of large, medium, and small candle holders. Same principle. The 5th type of rhythm is called radiation, and that's similar to a chandelier where the arms extend out from a central axis. The 6th type of rhythm is alternating rhythm, kind of like stripes or repeating shapes that alternate, like a circle and a square. Now, if you use this type of rhythm, use it sparingly because this one can be more jarring to the eye. So what do you think? You can't tell me that you don't have rhythm now. And it's nice because you don't even have to be a musician to get it.